Transferring money from Hdfc is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Log in to your Hdfc net banking account. Here, navigate to the International Funds Transfer section. Now, add the UK bank account as a beneficiary by providing the necessary details. Follow the instructions to complete the transfer, including specifying the amount and currency. Confirm the transaction and review any fees associated with the transfer. So, the funds will be transferred to the UK bank account. Before initiating any transfer, make sure to have accurate details of the recipient's account, including the account number, account type, and IFSC code. Additionally, be aware of any charges or fees associated with the type of transfer you choose. If you are unsure about any aspect of the process, it's advisable to contact Hdfc Bank customer support or visit a branch for assistance.